In this video, we demonstrate how FastPass Identity Verification Manager, IVM, a leading workforce identity verification solution, integrates with ManageEngine ServiceDesk Plus Cloud. Together, these integrations secure and simplify the identity verification process for your service desk. We walk you through the experience from an agent's perspective during a live service desk call. The service desk analyst answers a call from Seth and initiates a ticket in ServiceDesk Plus. After entering the core details, category, subject, and username, FastPass IVM opens the highlight page, displaying any potential anomalies such as inactive accounts or recent calls from the same user. Here, everything looks normal. To verify the user, a score of 100% must be reached. In this example, the agent enters the last 4 digits of the user's employee ID. The full ID is never disclosed to the agent. The ID adds 50%. The agent then asks the user to provide their TOTP code from their device, adding the remaining 50%. Should TOTP be unavailable, alternative proofing options exist, such as the user's employee ID, combined with a PIN code sent via text. Verification is now complete. FastPass IVM offers a wide range of proofing methods, including access card ID, computer tag verification, and colleague or manager confirmation, to name a few. Proofing methods and their scores can be tailored per user group and action type. A password can also be generated and set directly from FastPass. When closing the call, FastPass IVM can automatically close the ticket in ServiceDesk Plus or route it to another team. Importantly, IVM logs all proofing methods used along with the full call details, creating a complete audit trail. This seamless integration saves time, streamlines the verification process, and ensures a comprehensive audit trail for compliance. Please note, the proofing methods, questions, scores, and settings shown are examples only. Everything can be fully customized, even across different user groups, offering the flexibility to meet your organization's specific needs. Visit us at fastpasscorp.com to learn how FastPass IVM can enhance your security, strengthen compliance, and streamline your identity verification process.